What is up? And look what I got. Superman Blizzard. Oh, by the way though, let me transform to a new shirt. Bap! Boop! Oh, look at that. Superman shirt. I got me a new Superman shirt from Walmart. Anyways, today I'm gonna try out Superman Blizzard. You'll get to see what's going on. Hang on. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it up in there and then you'll see what blue look like. Yeah, look at this though. Look so blue looking thing. You see this right there has like a thing actually. And once you look inside of it right there, it has like the sprinkles in there and it has a cookie dough in there. It has like a cookie in there of a dough. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, look at that. See? Superman Blizzard. Well, let's go ahead and eat it up, shall we? Oh my god. Bro. Bro, are you for real? This is probably good actually. Since about everything's blue in there with the cookie in there as well. Let's see if I can get a cookie out of there. Hang on. Ah, look at that. See? That's like a cookie dough in there. Let's see if I can eat the cookie part. Oh yeah. This is super good. So yes. Oh yeah, this is super good. Of a cookie. I mean, now as you can see here, even got a cool Superman Blizzard. You know how they made actually that they made a blue ice cream in there and they put like a cookie dough in there apart and also put a sprinkle in there as well and then blend them up in there and boom, there you go, cookie ice cream, a cookie blizzard of the Superman movie. Yup, be ready for the new Superman movie because it will be released on July 11th. Oh my god, look at this though, and yep, it's dripping it to a cup. This is super good since I really love to eat the Superman Blizzard. Oh, blush me. Alright, so that's all for that Superman Blizzard. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell so that you won't miss any new videos. If you like the new Superman Blizzard, like this video. And yes, I got me the new Superman shirt from Walmart. Anyways, hopefully you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Toodles!